We deal with all ranges of property transactions. We deal with sales, purchases, remortgages, equity release, and first registrations, for example, are examples of just a few. I tend to deal with the high value transactions, but the team as a whole deal with a broad range of property transactions all the way across the board. That's a really good question. Buying a property can be a daunting process, particularly if you've never done it before and you're a first-time buyer. We're here to help you if you have any queries. You can pick up the phone, you can come in and talk to us about it. Concerns you may have: where are the finances coming from? Do you have any particular concerns about the property? How are you going to own the property if you're buying it with anybody else? That's exactly what we're here for. We're here to help. It's absolutely right that you'll have to fill out a fittings and contents form if you're listing the fittings and contents that you're leaving at the property. In special circumstances, for example, probate sales, sometimes properties are sold with the contents that are in them at the time of exchange. But generally, yes, you'll have to fill out a fittings and contents form. And that form lists the items that you're leaving, the items that you're taking with you. Sometimes people don't like to fill out that form until they found the property that they're moving to, because the person that's selling to you may be leaving some items of furniture, for example, dishwashers, fridges, that are particular to that property, fit into that property, and you know, it's better that you take those items of furniture and you can leave them then for your buyer. The other form is called the property information form, and that form is a standard form which asks standard questions about the property. It asks things like property boundary ownership in practice, who's maintained the boundaries, have you had any problems with your neighbours, have there been any sales of part in connection with your title, things like that. They're standard questions that anybody selling a property, a residential property, has to complete and has to go through. So sometimes people, when they look at the form, feel that they're not particular to their property, and in some circumstances they don't apply. And again, that's what we're here for, because we can guide you through what is relevant and what isn't, and help you to fill out the answers to those questions. When you have agreed a sale, purchase, thinking about selling or buying, speak to your solicitor, pick up the phone, call us, and we can go through everything with you. We'll make sure that you are organised and ready for the sale or the purchase that's about to go ahead. Most people want the sale to go through without any complications or problems and as quickly as possible. And if we can sort all of that out at the beginning of the process, or make you aware of any problems that may crop up, the process will be as smooth as possible.